Legacy Flat Roof and Sheet Metal. We are in Alvinston, Ontario. We've got a wonderful client. Gave us the privilege of completing this roof. It's an old church. It's almost like a steeple. Go ahead and take a look. So this roof has seen better days. It's an old 2-ply modified system. We're going to go back with a new 2-ply system. We have a roof hatch here. Pretty small roof. It's only 13 by 13 roughly with a bit of metal coping. Getting the material up here is interesting. We've got a bit of ingenuity work there, just getting the material this high up. The access from inside is way too small and way too many levels. It would just be too difficult. So we're going to work on that. We'll show you what it looks like. Thanks a lot. Welcome back. We finished putting the new separation board. Base sheet, go ahead and take a look. So what you're looking at here, this is a weldable base sheet. It's a peel and stick. It saves the property from having an open flame and hot asphalt here. We weld the seams to fuse it together. We have a through wall scupper there. We're working on detail through. And we have the cap sheet. Now what we want to do, we're actually bathtubing this roof. So we brought our cap sheet over. We're going to do a wall detail here. And we're going to work back starting from the scupper. So there we go. We had a bit of work ahead of us. We'll show you what it looks like when we're done. Thanks. Legacy Flat Roof and Sheet Metal. We finished the job, turned out great. We had a wonderful client. We got the privilege to be able to do this old historical building, gave it tons of new life. Legacy Flat Roof, if you're in the southwestern Ontario area, we'd love to hear from you. You can find us online at legacyroofs.com. Thanks a lot.